Guys, I told you guys that we're gonna kill the news. So guys, I'm taking my profit, guys. I'm taking my profit right now. Boom. I'm taking my profit, guys. I'm taking my profit. It's only 2 minutes, guys, as I said. Only 2 minutes, guys. Hello traders. I'm here right now, guys. Time for a CPI news. So this is time for CPI news. As you can see me, guys, I'm ready for the CPI news. And after like only 4 minutes left in order to start trading CPI news. So now it's time to check. It's time to check the direction of the news. So straight up, guys, I'm gonna switch into investing.com to check the news for today, and I want to check the direction for the news. Let me check, guys. Let me check. I'm looking for the USD, guys. I'm looking for the news for today, which is gonna be bested to USD currency. So all right, you can see here we got it. Here we got it. Here we have it. Here you can see we got CPI news right here. Let me click on it. So as you know, guys, as I said to you, that when you see previous is bigger than actor, that means USD currency is gonna sell. And when you see actor it's lower than previous, that means the USD currency is gonna buy. So guys, now I'm expecting to buy currency of USD and sell gold. But as you know, guys, I always deal with gold because gold has a big spread, big spread. And guys, as I always say to you guys, because I want you guys to become a profitable and to become, no more crying like, yo, my bad, I don't make money in the market, That's why, guys, I always share the secret with you guys, you know what I'm saying? And guys, as I said, guys, you know what I'm saying, I'm back, guys, to keep the news with you guys. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. Join the team. Let's go keep the news together and everything, you know what I'm saying? I want everybody to make money through me, you know what I'm saying? Through me. Join me. We make this man together. No cap, you know what I'm saying? No cap. So let's go ahead, guys. Only 2 minutes left. Let's go ahead, guys, to MT4. It's time to trade the news. So let's get ready because I'm gonna enter my entry. I'm gonna enter my entries 1 minute before the news. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put my entries 1 minute before the news. All right, here's the time, guys. Here's the time. I'm gonna use 0.60 because I'm only gonna open few trades, and I'm going to sell gold, guys. I'm going to sell gold, guys. Let's sell gold, guys. I'm gonna open 4 trades, sell gold. Boom, we in, guys. We in, guys. We already in, guys. Let's watch this out, guys. Let's watch this out. Let's watch this out, guys. Let's watch this out, guys. I already give the signal to my team, guys. So we're selling gold for only 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We only selling gold for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Guys, I told you, guys. I told you guys. Guys, I told you that we're going to kill the news. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Guys, I told you guys that we're gonna kill the news. So, guys, I'm taking my profit, guys. I'm taking my profit right now. Boom. I'm taking my profit, guys. I'm taking my profit. It's only 2 minutes, guys, as I said. Only 2 minutes, guys. Only 2 minutes. Only two minutes. Only 2 minutes, guys. Only 2 minutes, guys, as I said. Guys, I'm done for the day. Boom! So, you already see. You saw what we do. That's what it is. That's how we do it. You know what I'm saying? We killed, guys. You know what I'm saying? We killed. And you can see, guys. You can see that the strategy also, it was ready to kill the news. That strategy that I'm always recommend to you guys right here. You can see was also on 90 level, which was already there for the news, so that it can kill the news with us, help us to kill the news. And we did it, and we made it, and we killed it. This is how we do it. So no cap, no excuses. If you want to do some excuses, do your own excuses. But when I say join me, let's do this together, guys. I know what I'm here for, guys. I know what I'm doing. It's only 2 minutes 30 seconds and I'm out. Only 2 minutes 30 seconds and I'm out. You know what I'm saying? I don't swing the news, man. For real, for real. Imagine, guys, only 2 minutes. I already made my own $5. You know what I'm saying? Something about $600. So that's it, guys. That's it. That's it. Make sure you do the right things. Make sure you do the right things. Do the right things. You know what I'm saying? Guys, it's crazy. No, it's crazy though. It's crazy though. It's very, very crazy, guys. It's very, very crazy. You see, guys, what I said to you? Let me show you again. Let me show you again, guys, what I said to you. Let me show you again, guys, what I said to you. I told you, guys. I told you, guys. Let me show you what I said to you. Let me show you. Let me show you. I'm going to show you USD pairs. USD CHF now is buying. You see USD currency, guys, is buying as I said. So, guys, everything that I'm sharing with you guys, make sure you keep them in mind, because this is the only thing that's going to help you out. This is the only thing that's going to make you profitable. You know what I'm saying? USD pairs is buying. Look at the gold. Look at the gold. You see what is happening to gold? Guys, the things that I'm sharing with you is the things that I paid a lot of money, but I'm giving to you guys for free because I love you guys. I want everyone to, to be successful, to make money. You know what I'm saying? I want everybody to make money. Look at this. All the secret that I'm giving to you is because I want to help you guys out. I want to bless you. You know what I'm saying? Leave that like button, man. Leave that like, man, on the video, and then peace. I'm out.